Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Hyundai Sonata key fob. Use a small flathead to pry open the seam gently, then remove the old CR2032 battery by lifting from the notch. Note the battery orientation and any rubber pads. Replace with a new CR2032, press parts back together, and test all buttons near your vehicle to confirm proper function. Start by finding the seam and the small notch where the fob splits. Insert your flathead and twist slowly, applying steady pressure until the halves pop apart. Keep the internal board and rubber button pad in place as you lift the cover. If a small spring or screw is present, set it aside in a safe container. Work calmly to prevent damage to clips or the plastic housing. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more repair tips. Quick recommendation: try the leak-proof meal prep containers for tidy snacks and part storage when working on cars. They're great for keeping screws and batteries organized and spill-free. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it helps you stay neat. Now let's get back to the video. Observe the battery orientation and any metal contacts before removal. Use a fingernail or the flathead to lift the old CR2032 from its slot, avoiding contact with circuitry. Insert the new CR2032 with the same orientation, ensuring the positive side faces the correct direction and it seats fully against the contacts. Reassemble the fob, align clips, and snap the halves together. Test the fob buttons near the vehicle to confirm operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.